So this is the problem of the day. We are asked to show that tan 22.5 equals root 2 minus 1. So the question is, how do we show that tan 22.5 equals root 2 minus 1? Okay, so here what we do is we go back to our half angles. Okay, we go back to our half angles, and in our half angles, we realize that sine theta equals 2 sine theta on 2 . So from our half angles, we realize that sine theta equals 2 sine theta out of 2 cos theta out of 2. Okay, and also we also know that cos theta equals 1 minus we also know that cos theta equals 1 minus 2 sine square theta on 2 from our half angles. I hope you do remember. So in this case, what we are going to do is, let's try and make sine 2 minus 2 sine square theta on 2 the subject and see. So we are going to have 2 sine square theta on 2 equals 1 minus cos theta, right? By sending this one here and bringing this one to the side. So over here, we have our 3 equations over here. So we are going to take, let's take the first equation by the third equation. Okay, let's divide these sections by each other and let's see. So equation 1. So let's take equation 1 and equation 3, right? So we are going to have so we are dividing equation 3 by equation 2 with corresponding values, right? So in this case, we are turning this one, we are interchanging them, this one is coming here, this one is going to the other side. So we are going to have equation 3, which is 2 sine square theta on 2 equals 1 minus cos theta. So this section divided by divided by 2 cos theta on 2 sine theta on 2 cos theta on 2, as you can see over there, and this side divided by sine theta. Okay, so from here you can see that this 2 will cancel this 2 off. Then here we have sine square theta on 2, and here we have sine square theta. So here there are two of this, right? So this one will cancel one of this, leaving us with sine theta on 2, but 1 is gone, leaving 1, out of cos theta on 2, and this equals to 1 minus cos theta. And this gives us 1 minus cos theta out of sine theta. Now we all know that sine theta on 2 out of cos theta on 2 is going to give us what? Tan theta on 2. So we are going to have, this one is going to change to tan theta on 2 equals 1 minus sin theta. Good. So we have tan theta on 2 equals 1 minus cos theta out of sin theta. So at this point, let's move to this section and see. Let's say, let us let theta to be equals to, let's say, 45 degrees. We are making theta to be equals to 45 degrees. So wherever we see theta in our equation, we fix in the angle 45 degrees. Okay? So here we are going to have tan 45 on 2 equals 1 minus cos. So we are having tan 45 on 2 equals 1 minus cos 45 out of sin 45. And this one is going to give us tan 22.5. When we divide this value, we are going to get tan 22.5. And here, 1 minus cos 45, we know that cos 45 is 1 on root 2, right? Good. So we have 1 on root 2 out of sin 45 2 is going to give us 1 on root 2. So tan 22.5. Here we simplify the top one to have root 2 minus 1 out of root 2. This expression is out of this 1 out of root 2. So in this case, so you can see that this one cancels this one straight away. Can you see that? Or better still, you can use the smaller division sign to represent them to make it clearer. Divided by. Okay. So we reciprocate the divisor to change the sign to multiplication. So we are going to have equals to root 2 minus 1 out of root 2 times root 2 on 1, right? Good. So this will cancel this one off. And therefore we are going to have tan 22.52 equals to root 2 minus 1. And that's the reason why we are saying that tan 22.5 is equals to root 2 minus 1, and it has been clearly shown.